Alright, so I just got home from work. This package arrived. I have no idea what it is, but it's kind of heavy, and I think I know what's inside. So, kind of just wanted to break it open on camera because if it is what if it is what I think it is, getting a little flustered here. This is gonna be really cool. Nothing expensive, nothing major, but just, guys, I feel like this is something Creality based you guys might like. Has nothing to do with the Ender 3. I just wanted to kind of set the mood, if you will, because it's a, you know, somewhat of a Creality based video. But anyway, typically I don't do this kind of video, at least not anymore. But for some reason, it was just like really shocking to me. Oh, this, I think this is exactly, this is way more than I imagined it would be. Okay, it's come in like a leather case. What the heck? Why have they gone so far into this? I'm like, it's got a nice little hinge on it. Oh, this is way cooler. Okay. Creality, imagine it, make it. All right. This is not what I expected it was. This is a Christmas card. Oh my gosh, this is a handwritten Christmas card. What the heck? Oh my goodness. Creality, thank you very much. A nice tea set. On the bottom of the tea mugs, they say Creality on them. Oh my gosh. A little placement set for 2 with little mini spoons. These are like, my goodness, these are high. I don't think I could bend these even if I wanted to. These are heavy. Like, they're smaller than my palm. Oh my goodness. Those are strong. And some little saucers to go with it that also say Creality on them. Absolutely not what I was expecting to receive. Clearly there's another video to come, and I don't know when it's gonna be because I don't know when it's arriving. I figured it was this package right here. So here's the other plate and just a little placement set for 2. This is like super high quality. Like, I'm kind of blown away. Guys, Creality have not sponsored any video this year. Kind of come from nothing. This year we started, honestly, I think we started with less than or just over 1,000 subs, like maybe 1,200 subs, 1,300 subs. We're basically touching 30,000 now. We might hit 30,000 by the end of the year, I don't know. But Creality have sent a ton of products out to the channel. I have some more products, or at least one more in the studio now that I haven't shown you guys yet. But they've sent so much stuff, and like I said, none of it's been sponsored. I've had my ups and downs, right? The Mage Pro had a bad experience with that, but that was, you know, of all my experiences, I feel like Creality's kind of been going up. I know some people have different opinions about the company and they continually think they're going down, but I have been testing most of their new products and I can confidently, like, at least in my opinion, Creality's been going way up, and
I always root for them.
You know, I'm not scared to say when something's bad, but pretty much everything I've received has been good. And like the K1 series, it's solid. Okay, not about that, but this was not what I was expecting to receive. I guess thank you, Creality. I'm gonna have to use these. Can't use them now, but they'll definitely get used. Maybe they'll go on display at the new studio, which I still haven't given you guys a tour of yet. Well, I don't know what else to say. I really appreciate the gift, and yeah, stick around for the next one. Thank you, Creality. Thank you guys for watching. Without you guys' support, you know, I wouldn't have made it where I am today. I'm not claiming to be the big ol', you know, newest guy on the block, but I'm having a lot of fun here, kind of just being in front of the camera, testing stuff, things that I otherwise wouldn't have never been able to test. So thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video.